In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Shopify variant ID. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to Shopify. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by entering your login credentials, your email, and your password. If you've enabled any two-factor authentication, go through that process as well. This will ensure your account remains secure. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see the familiar Shopify dashboard. Now focus on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various options, but for today's task, we're going to click on Products. This button will take you to the Product Overview page, where you can see a list of all the products you're selling on your Shopify store. Now, the goal is to find the specific product whose variant you want to identify. So, go ahead and locate the product that you're interested in. You could use the search feature if you have a lot of products listed, which saves time scrolling through endless pages. Once you've found the product, click on it to open its details. This is a crucial part of the process. We need to take a closer look at the URL in your browser's address bar. When you open a product, the URL will contain various details, including something that looks like a jumble of numbers and letters. What's important here is to scroll through the URL and find the section that follows variants. This chunk is crucial because the series of numbers you see right after this section is the variant ID number. It's what we've been trying to find all along. For example, you might see a number like 4644011num600468. This number is unique to each variant within the product structure and helps in identifying specific variations, such as different sizes, colors, or features you've listed under that product. And that's it. You now have your Shopify variant ID. Knowing this ID is particularly helpful when you're working with third-party applications or integrating your store with additional services which require precise information on each product variant. Always remember to note down or copy your variant ID carefully to avoid any typos, as that could lead to potential errors in processing or managing your products. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.